respected teachers, and my dear friends. Good evening to one and all. My name is Sujit. I am studying 9th class. My tuition name is Lokshit Tutorial. Today, my seminar topic is gravitation. Before going into our seminar, I will tell you about gravitational force of headings. Uniform circular motion. In that, there are two types of uniform circular motion are there. These are time period, uniform circular motion, and average speed. So uniform circular motion uniform circular motion is nothing but when a body which has consist any types of circular path is also called as uniform circular motion. And next, time period uniform circular motion. Time period uniform circular motion is nothing but which object can be changed into their time with their time is also called as time period. Average speed is nothing but which way time taken and it will run with the help of each speed is also called as average speed. This is the uniform circular motion. And next we can discuss about free fall. Free fall is nothing but when we observe that the free fall is nothing but when we drop any object or any ball or any object, it will fall down. It is the cause of gravitational force. Gravitational force is the main part of our life, because if one object are putting down, this is cause of gravitation. This is called a free fall. And next we can discuss about uniform law of gravitation. Uniform law of gravitation. For this, do one activity for this. Take two balls and put in some distance for this, and after we can draw that the distance of the middle of that we draw d percent, and after we can discuss about the draw d percent is nothing but we can observe the two balls is nothing which can attract without attraction of balls is also called as universal law of motion. Gravitational, friends, gravitational, what is the uses of gravitational? Gravitational force is which can the object when we fall that object is also called as gravitational force. And next we can discuss about centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is nothing but we are observing the centripetal acceleration. Do this one activity. We can observe the outer line of circle. For this, we can observe that the outer line of circle is we can observe velocity. Inner circle is also called as yellow color is also called as velocity in acceleration. Okay, I will show you one figure. See, this is the velocity which can find that. This is the earth. For example, if we take this is the sun, it will fall with the time taken. This also, for example, if earth rounds with first 1 year, it will round 1 year. We take that 1 year for every round. This is the earth between and sun. This is the velocity and it is the direction of acceleration. This is the centripetal acceleration. And next we can discuss about centripetal force. Centripetal force is nothing but when we are using the force which can added by the centripetal is also called as centripetal force. I will tell you for some formulas for this. Friends, what's the formula of average speed? Average speed is V equal to 2 pi r by t, because t means time, 2 pi r means radiation of 2 pi r. This is the V time and after average speed. After in that there is a small formula in that. This called distance by time, d by t. Distance by time is nothing but when we are calculating, for example, distance in this, they got distance for in this time, and though we can calculate that we can get that answer. This is the two types of average speed formula. And next we can discuss about formula of centripetal force. Centripetal force formula is nothing but V square equal to Rm1 plus Rm2 by R, because R means radius, M means for the any direction of acceleration is also called as M. We can mark M in that. And next we can observe, this is the formula of centripetal force. And next we can discuss about what's the formula of centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is nothing but v2 equal to m by 2. M means, we also tell about m means also called a 1 point. R means R also called as radius, is also called as centripetal acceleration. Next, universal law of gravity. Universal law of gravity is nothing but when we are using the law of gravity is also called as universal law of gravity. Universal law of gravity is the main part of our life because it is we can observe that the law of gravity is the main part of our life. This is the weight. Next we can discuss about weight. Weight is nothing but if one object fall, it will in that speed by observing the weight is also called as gravitation. For example, if we fall any object by weighting, when we lifting with two hands, it will flow fastly. This is the form of gravitational. Stability. Stability is nothing but which object will be stand with every stand with a like that is also called as stability. Free fall. Free fall is nothing but when we close the object, when we jump the ball in that, it will come down because it is because of gravitational force. Gravitational, if we do not have gravitational force, if any object do not fall down. Thanking you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.